Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your distance units to miles on Telegram. If your app is currently showing distances in kilometers and you prefer miles instead, don't worry, it only takes a few taps to switch. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look at the top corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon. This is the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tapping this will open up a sidebar with several options. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you can customize your Telegram experience and adjust different preferences. Once you're inside Settings, scroll a little until you find Chat Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. This section controls how your chats look and behave. Now, scroll down through the Chat Settings menu until you reach a section called Other Settings. This is where Telegram keeps some additional customization options. In this section, look for distance units. When you find it, tap on it to open the available options. You'll now see a choice between kilometers and miles. Simply select miles and that's it. Your distance units will be updated instantly. From now on, any location-based features in Telegram will display distances in miles instead of kilometers. And that's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and done in just a few steps. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick Telegram tips to get the most out of the app.